Have you ever wondered just how powerful your smartphone can get? Whether you're looking to take stunning underwater photos or capture professional grade videos, we've got you covered with 12 powerful smartphone gadgets that are guaranteed to enhance your experience. As usual, links to all these incredible gadgets are in the description below. Divefolk Ctouch. Say hello to the king of all underwater smartphone cases, the Divefolk Ctouch 4 Max. This high-quality diving case can turn almost any smartphone into an underwater camera for stunning travel photos and crystal-clear video when surfing, diving, snorkeling, skiing, or any other water adventures. With its waterproof design, the Ctouch 4 Max can be taken down to depths of up to 80 meters, all the while keeping your phone 100% protected and dry. It also features a massive 0.6 times wide-angle lens that provides a broader field of view, allowing you to capture even more beautiful scenery in each shot. At $369, the case doesn't come cheap, but it's a no-brainer for those of you who want to take your underwater photography to a whole new level. Unravel Fast Wireless Charger. If you're tired of portable phone chargers with bulky designs, messy cables, and charging that takes forever, you may want to check out the Unravel Fast Wireless Charger. This device is perfect for those who are always on the go. The Unravel is a portable wireless charging station that can charge up to 3 devices at once. It features a compact and foldable design, making it perfect for travel. Plus, it has a fast charging speed, so you can quickly charge your smartphone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once. For just $59 on Kickstarter, you can say goodbye to messy cables and hello to the convenience of the Unravel Fast Wireless Charger. D800 Drone. Drones and smartphones go hand in hand, right? But not many drones look as fun and cool as the D800. The most notable feature of this drone is its controller, which fits perfectly on your wrist and isn't bulky. Meanwhile, the drone is foldable and can be easily transported. It features a high-definition camera that can capture stunning photos and videos. Plus, it has a range of up to 500 meters, making it perfect for exploring the great outdoors, and with its intuitive controls, you can easily fly the D800 and capture stunning footage from above. So say goodbye to boring ground-level shots, and hello to the thrill of aerial photography with the D800 drone for around $70 on Amazon. MagClap Cooling Charger. Whether you spend hours scrolling on TikTok or playing your favorite video game, your phone's CPU is bound to heat up, all while draining your battery at twice the usual speed. That is, unless you own one of these MagClap cooling wireless chargers. This gadget not only charges your smartphone, but also cools it down at the same time. Thanks to its strong magnet, the fan sticks on the back of your phone like glue for undisturbed gameplay, all while showing off your uniqueness with its RGB vibing LED lights. It also supports 10-watt fast charging, so you can get your phone charged up in no time. For around $40, this bad boy is yours. IVCable. Untangling your messy charging cables right when you're most in need of power can be a real disaster for the addicted smartphone user. That is, unless you're the proud owner of one IVCable. The IVCable is a self-folding magnetic cable you'll never need to untangle that also features a slick power storage. This gadget makes it easy to charge your smartphone on the go, and its magnetic design ensures that your cables stay neat and tidy. The cable is also wrapped in a thin but powerful 1000 mAh battery, which charges alongside your phone, essentially turning your cable into a portable power bank. So next time you and your friends are out of juice and you can't find a plug nearby, you'll be the only one with power. For just $49 on Kickstarter, you can eliminate all that cable madness for good. LTO4 Watch. We could all use a little less distraction while exercising, and besides good music and health markers, what else do you need for your next workout? That's where the LTO4 Watch comes in. This fitness bracelet comes with inbuilt wireless Bluetooth headphones and can also be used to track your heart rate, blood pressure, and steps taken, among other things. The LTO4 Watch also features a 1.28-inch IPS color screen that displays notifications, time, and other essential information. At just $40 a piece, this is an excellent watch for anyone looking to stay on top of their fitness game while on the go without breaking the bank. SoundBoom. Most owners of wireless speakers need to deal with hassle like interruptions in Bluetooth connectivity or needing to remember to charge their speaker after each use, but with SoundBoom, you can keep the party going no matter what. SoundBoom is a speaker that lets you share your music with others through battery sharing technology, meaning it gets all its power from your phone and requires no Bluetooth connection. But don't fret, it won't drain your phone's battery in exchange for some good music, because the SoundBoom also features a 3000 mAh battery which can be used to charge your smartphone or other devices while you're on the go. Plus, its unique design even allows it to be paired with other SoundBooms, creating a wall of speakers with surround sound effect. The most amazing thing about SoundBoom though is its price. For just $40 on Kickstarter, this multifunctional speaker is all yours. ShiftCam 5-in-1 multi-lens case. Say goodbye to blurry selfies and hello to crystal clear shots with the ShiftCam 5-in-1 Snap Grip. The Snap Grip is a multifunctional grip for those who love taking photos with their smartphone. It can be easily attached to your smartphone and features 5 different lenses that can be switched out to capture different types of photos. Whether you're looking to capture a wide-angle shot, a close-up, or a portrait, the Snap Grip has got you covered. Plus, it comes with a handy remote control that lets you take photos from a distance. Cowboy electric bike. The Cowboy electric bike fuses your smartphone and bicycle into one powerful machine with a multitude of functions. It's more than just a sleek and stylish bike that is powered by an electric motor. The Cowboy bike features a smart navigation system that helps you find the fastest and safest route to your destination. So say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to the freedom of the open road with the Cowboy electric bike. With a range of up to 70 kilometers on a single charge, it's perfect for commuters, and with its lightweight design, you can easily take it on public transport or store it in your apartment. The Cowboy app on your phone is always on the lookout for what's ahead, while your phone charges wirelessly in the cockpit for an effortless ride start to finish. With 3 iconic colors to suit your style, this bike deserves a closer look. The cost of finally getting around the city quickly and easily? $3,200. It's not cheap, but who can say no to that sleek design? LaserCube. Say goodbye to boring walls and hello to the mesmerizing world of laser, because this tiny little gadget will bring the party wherever you go. LaserCube is a tiny device that's perfect for those who love to create stunning visual displays. It's a portable laser projector that can display vibrant laser animations on any surface. Thanks to their customizable autoplay feature, you don't need to program a whole laser show. LaserCube shuffles through your favorite apps, projections, and effects with the click of a button. It features a compact design, making it perfect for travel. Plus, it has a long battery life, so you can enjoy stunning laser shows for hours on end. The LaserCube operating systems can listen and react automatically to your music, creating incredible laser shows. Or you can set the beats per minute manually and apply audio reactive effects for a more hands-on mode. Starting at around $1,000, you can purchase LaserCube directly on the vendor's website and put the power of the party in the palm of your hand.